Is that good?
Is it good?
She's looking at you, trying to get more.
Let's see how low she goes. Hold on. Oh, that one's gonna go for a while. That one's going for a while. Is it a good girl?
She's like gecko status. You're torturing her. Just give her it all. Look at her staring at your spoon.
Look how much she's going. It's crazy.
She's staring at the spoon. Uh-oh.
Dude, that's the ultimate.
Now you guys are best friends for life.
Her whole tongue is brown. So you say, man, I need some water.
Bless you. What is that?
She loves peanut butter.
Peanut butter's her best friend.
Do you give it to her sometimes?
Look at her staring at... No, I've never given her peanut butter ever. You're the
Go
first.
on.
You're the first one.
Off.